What if you could take two most powerful Cloud Code skills and then make a website out of them? And in this video, we're going to be doing exactly that. And this is the website we're going to be building today. And if you don't know me, my name is Gigas and I've been building agencies for the last 5 years. I did many things starting with web development, marketing, and also product development. Okay, so let's just get right into it. So to get things started, we have to download two skills. So one is Modern Web Guidance. I also left the link in this video description for this skill. So you can just go here and just download it as a zip. And then we're going to upload it inside Cloud Code. So this is going to be the first one. And basically this skill is for that AI will not make websites that look like AI slop. So we're going to have different fonts, different layouts, and also different colors. So this one is a must-have and it's one of the most powerful skills inside Cloud Code at the moment. And then we're going to use the $10,000 website skill, which is going to make all the difference because it has everything you need to make the website. So if you go on through this, it will guide you to make the best website possible by giving you steps and instructions. And you will only have to answer the questions that AI gives you. So basically you will have a website in no time that don't look like AI slop. And it also has cool animations. So if you want that free skill too, the link is in this video description. You can find it in my free community, so you can just download it from here. So to get started, let's go inside Cloud Code. And basically we have to upload the two skills in this chat. So if I go to skills, I go to manage skills and I go to add, I can just upload a skill. So when you download it, all you have to do is just upload the skill here. So this is going to be the 10K website skill. I'm just going to let it in. And then we're going to add another skill to stop the AI slop. So I just added both of these skills. So let's wait a bit. And as you can see, I got the Modern Web Guidance skill right here. It's turned on. And then we got the another skill, which is 10K websites. So now when we have both of these skills installed inside our Cloud Code, we have to give it a prompt to generate a website. So to get things started, let me just insert a simple prompt. Generate a website for energy drinks company called Speedy. So I just want to create an energy drink company and I want to use the 10K website skill and Modern Web Guidance skill. And we can also do this if we select it right here. It will also know that we have to use these. So I just selected both of these skills and I'm going to use the Opus 5 model for this one. I think it's fine. So let's just push that in. But before it generates any results, this skill requires Higgs field. So you can either use Higgs field or not, but I want Claude to generate photos inside my chat. I don't want it to generate them on any other platform. So if I want to have everything in one place, I'm going to connect Higgs field MCP. So basically, if you go inside Higgs field, you can find this button which is called MCP and they have this connector URL code. So if you want to have Higgs field inside your Cloud Code so you can generate photos and videos for the websites, you can just copy the link and paste it inside Cloud Code and you will have Higgs field connected. So if you really want to have the best visuals, and if you don't have your own visuals at the moment or you want to improve the existing ones, you can always use Higgs field MCP inside Cloud Code. And this is not a promotional ad, so I'm just telling you because this is what I use and it generates me the best results. Because unfortunately, Cloud Code does not support image and video generation inside of it. So if you really need it, you can just copy this code. We can go to Cloud Code, we can go to the connectors, we can go to manage connectors, and you just have to click add. You have to add custom and you just have to paste this and you can call it Higgs. So if you paste this and just click add, it will ask you to connect your Google account and then you will have Higgs field inside your Cloud Code. So this is very easy and it's manageable for everyone. So once you have connected it, as you can see now, Cloud Code is asking us questions to generate the website. So what are we working with for Speedy? It's an invented brand, so I'm just going to tell it exactly that because you will also get these questions. So if you use the 10K website skill with this Stop AI Slop skill, you will have the same questions just on different concepts. So what feeling should this site give to people? Raw speed and adrenaline. So I'm going to just go with that because it's recommended and I like it. So do you have anything to drop in? A logo, can art, or photos? So now it's asking us if we have any materials. So for example, if it's your brand or your company, then you can use your own logos or use your own product photos. So just type here, I have my own photos, and you just upload them. But I'm just showing you the capabilities. I'm just going to go with the generated brand. And I just want to show you the possibilities that you can have with Cloud Code and website generation. If you use the correct tools, of course, you have to use the correct skills. But because if you don't use these skills, the websites are going to be like most of the websites right now, which are AI slops. So basically AI just generated the video for the hero section. And if I look at it, it's right here. As you can see, this is the video for the hero section. It's quite simple. I could regenerate it, but I do like it a bit. So let me just keep it as it is. So now it's asking us the question, does this hero video work for you? So yes, build the site. So once we have the hero section video generated, we can now start building the site. And because we're using both of these skills, the site will look fantastic. And also all the animations are already insured, so you don't have to worry about anything. Just put in the prompt, let it build it, and then you can see your website looking nice. So how cool is that? And I'm just gonna come back once the website is done, and then we're gonna see the results. So, and the whole website is done. So let's just take a look at the results. As you can see, we already have the logo. We already have the favicon icon inside our website. And we got this landing page. And you can see we have the scroll bar on the left corner too. So what happens when we start scrolling? So when we start scrolling, you can see cars coming. Also, the text is changing. And we get the full CD8 call to action. So reserve the first case. So as you can see, the whole website is done and it does not look like any AI slop you see everywhere. Like everything just looks just so custom to me. Also, we just used two of these skills, and as you can see, it created an amazing website. We did not have to have any knowledge about websites or anything. Like AI just did everything for us. As you can see, everything is just so cool, and we can just reserve it right here. So if you want to make the website that don't look like AI slop, you want to have these cool animations in the hero section, which are insane, and you can have even better ones if you generate other videos. So all you need to do is just use two of these skills on Cloud Code and your websites will just be insane. And if you ever want to host the website on the internet, it's very easy to do. So basically, how would you do that? You go inside Cloud Code, you go to show in the folder. So this is the index file. You go to show in the folder and you get this index file. So let me just drag it on here and I just drag it in the Netlify app, which is completely free, and we will have this website hosted online. As you can see, it's already online. All we have to do is just go on to domain management and add a domain. So we have to add our custom domain, and now we have a fully ready website. So we can either sell our own products or you can sell the website and you can just use it for any other case. So that's how easy it is to launch a website these days. And also you don't have to make these boring AI slop websites anymore because AI is capable now of building these insanely looking websites with just two of the Cloud Code skills. So thank you guys for watching. If you're serious about AI and want to learn more, I do have my private community which we go all in about AI stuff, websites, and all the other cool stuff. So also the link is in this video description. See you in the next one.